and today we're going to go over how to use the print template for wallet phone cases. I have the wallet phone case print template opened up in Photoshop right now. As you can see, that this is the front side, the right, and this over here, the left side, is the back. The correct pixel size for the wallet phone case is 2457 by 2114. We can double check to make sure by going in the image, canvas size, changing width to pixels, and then it'll switch and you'll see both 2457 and 2114 here. This confirms that we are working with the correct print file for our design. Just press OK and everything is good. Now what we want to do is we want to load our design from our desktop and drag it right on top. So I have my design loaded in a folder called video files, and I have a wallet phone case right here called Scuba. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Open with Photoshop. And you can see that my designer had prepared this already. So this image right here is already the correct size. I'm going to go to canvas size. I'm going to change it to pixels. And I can see that 2457 and 2114 is the correct dimensions. You also want to make sure that this file is 300 dpi and CMYK mode. If you are unsure about that, ask your designer, but you can always double check by going to Image, Mode, and clicking CMYK mode color. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and just duplicate this layer, and we're going to drag it on top of our wallet case template. Just let it snap into place. Because it's the same pixels, it should be right there, snap right into place. Now what I want to check, if you don't see the lines on your print template, go to View, Extras, but I'm going to turn them off right here, so this is how you'll probably see them. Another way to check to make sure that your text is lined up correctly is by clicking on the image that you just loaded on top, going to Opacity, lowering the opacity, and checking to make sure that your font is inside the green box on the front and inside the green box on the back. If your design does not have any font that needs to be centered, or any design that needs to be centered, then you have nothing to worry about. Another important note is that you want your design to fill the entire space, all the way to the corners, everything in between. An incorrect placed file looks like this, or like this. You do not want your print file like this. We will reject it and your orders will be put on hold. Make sure that your entire print file is filled the entire screen. Even this is incorrect. So we're going to lower this one down. And it looks like we have a little error here in the corner, but that's okay. We can fix that. And what you want to do is you want to file, save this. You can save it as .tiff. I'm going to move it to my downloads. You can save it as .tiff, JPEG, and PNG. Right now we're going to save it as JPEG. We're going to call it Scuba Print. And now it's ready for uploading in our app. To see how to upload a design in the WC Fulfillment app, visit our Get Starting guide to see how to use our app settings. And that is how to use the wallet case print file template.